Hello and welcome back to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I'm your host, Uncle Bill, and this is my kitchen. Today, I'm going to be making you something amazing, great, wonderful. It's something that we eat all the time when we're growing up. It starts with a K, an F, a C, and I'm not talking about the chicken, no. We are going to make, what is it? Coleslaw. I'm going to show you my copycat recipe for KFC's Coleslaw, and I'm going to show you how to do it right. Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Make sure to do it because it lets you know every time we have a new video come out, and it helps our channel out a lot. And of course, I'd really appreciate it. Also, if you'd like to help us out in a different way, become a Patreon member or consider sending me a cup of coffee. Links in the description below.